Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working guys on a Dodge Dart, but if you have Chrysler 200 the procedure will apply to it as well. If you're guys trying to find where your fuel filter is located, stay with us and we will explain where you can expect to find the fuel filter and what needs to be done to remove and replace your fuel filter. If you need to purchase one guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop guys, we make at least 200 videos, and that's the case with this one as well. Why we do all that? Why we take our cars completely apart? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, this is a 2015 Dodge Dart that we'll be working on. First guys, okay, we'll explain where the filter is located. I want to open the hood guys. We even have a replacement engine sitting here, so I'm going to show you that as well. You look at it guys, fuel lines come on the back side of the firewall there. We have a video how to disconnect them, and there is no fuel filter. We laid under the car guys, all the way underneath it. We checked everything there. Okay, we found the fuel lines, everything's going under the car, but no fuel filter on the frame or anywhere else. Then we looked on our replacement engines. Those are where the fuel lines come guys. Okay, you can see fuel line. This is the purge valve line right here, fuel injectors. This is towards the firewall. We couldn't find a fuel filter as well guys, so we started doing some research and we guys had to remove the rear seat to get to the fuel pump assembly. If you want to see everything from start to finish, we have the video on the channel. It's called fuel pump replacement on Dodge Dart and Chrysler 200, so check it out. Once you guys do all that, once you get your fuel pump out of the car, okay, let me show you what you have here now guys. This is your fuel pump assembly. We're going to lift it up guys, and right here this is the mechanism that detects how much fuel you have in your fuel tank. This right here guys in the middle, this is your fuel pump. You can see this is what is building the pressure and sending the fuel to the front of the engine guys. This is fuel pump. But if you pay attention, next to the fuel pump guys, that line goes in that device here guys. That device, okay, it has two different components. One of them, okay, you can see is right here guys. This is the fuel pressure regulator, and then you have another one guys, okay, which is right here, okay, and this is guys the another fuel line. This device right here, it's your integrated fuel filter guys inside the fuel pump assembly. That's where your fuel filter is located. It's right there guys. So if you guys need to remove and replace your fuel filter, unfortunately guys, you have to replace the whole assembly, everything from start to finish. So that's what will need to be done. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. Check it out if you need to see that. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.